What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video, and today's product that we're going to be unboxing is the Insignia 12-foot HDMI cable. Says it supports the latest HDMI standards. When it comes to streaming video, movies, or if you're intending to mirror your device's screen to your TV, HDMI cable is the best way to do it. And this is a long 12-foot one, which basically means that your device doesn't have to be super close to your TV. I mean, you guys can probably visualize how long 12 feet is, but it's definitely decent. And so it can support 4K Ultra HD, HDMI high speed with Ethernet. And Ethernet is basically internet, except it's not wireless. And then supports the latest HDMI standards, and then it has a bunch of specs here. I won't read through them, but if you would like to see them, you can of course just pause the video. And then down here, 1-year limited warranty. This was $40 at Best Buy. So yeah, there's lots you can do with this, and if you don't really know what this is for, you can just Google search it or watch some YouTube videos if you want to find out more about it. I'm sure there's stuff out there, but this is just an unboxing of the cable. So you guys know I'm not the best at opening boxes, but it'll do. Probably not the way you're supposed to open a box. So I didn't do that too badly. No. Okay, so it looks like it comes in a plastic wrap, and then we don't really have anything else inside the box. And then I think I'll just poke a hole in the stuff so we can get this apart. So there we go. Now you can, as long as you have an HDMI hookup, you can see here, I think I will take off these little twisty tie thingies. You want to save those for like chip wrappers or other containers that aren't resealable, then you get 2 free ones with this. And these are, I don't make these, they really wrap these up. But almost, there we go. Alright, so now you can kind of get an idea of just how long it really is. And then, yep, here you have your 2 HDMI hookups. It looks like these are exactly the same. Try to get the camera to focus on them real quick. There we go. Yep. But that's really the unboxing, guys. If you don't really know what it's for, you can Google it. But that is my unboxing of the, what is this even called? The 12-foot HDMI cable by Insignia. I thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. And if you're wondering why there are now ads on my videos when you click on them, it's because my account finally got monetized by YouTube. They said it would take them a few weeks, but they took them more like 5 months, but they finally got my channel monetized, and I can make ad revenue and stuff like that. So I thank you guys for all your support and subscribing. Make sure to share with your friends, like the video, and I will see you next time. Have a great day, guys.